Hello, in front of me I've got REALME C35. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's go to settings and now enter display section. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display we can manage. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change manually display brightness level, enable or disable dark theme, auto resolution, and night light. Then we can change color and contrast between vivid and gentle, or manually change color mode between standard, warm, and cool. Now let's go to video display enhancement. Adaptive brightness and wallpaper. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, set screensaver, and manage lock screen settings. For example, you can change notifications on lock screen, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, enable or disable show lockdown option, double click on the lock screen, lift to check phone, and wake screen for notifications. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.